Well, alright, guys, I think this is gonna be enough for today. I actually wanted to fix that bug with you um, because one of my goals with my Twitch channel is actually to bring you into my whole thought process and share with you the whole development of the game engine live, right? I want you to see how I use the tools such as Blender, um, how I use Xcode, um, basically my whole logic, my whole thought process. Um, so um, one more thing that I want you to keep this in mind: game engine development is not something. It's not it's not a sprint. It's a marathon, right? And how I managed to develop a game engine all by myself is that I would implement a feature for the engine, and I didn't become demotivated because that particular feature was not working perfectly, right? I knew that I know my limitations. So what I would do is that even though that feature didn't work perfectly at that moment, I implemented it to the point that it was good enough, just good enough, so I can keep on going with the other components of the game engine. Uh, and as time progressed, I gained more knowledge, right? And then I would come back to that particular feature, and with my new gain knowledge, um, I would improve it. And again, I would improve it to the point that it was like, okay, this is getting way better now. It's not perfect, but it has improved a lot. And then I would go on and develop other components of the engine. Um, and my knowledge will increase in other topics, and then I will come back. So the whole game engine, the whole development of the engine has been basically an incremental process. It's been little by little, little by little. Um, you know, Components in the engine that I developed 3 years ago, they don't compare to what I have now. Um, and it's not because I'm really good at programming. I am not. It's not because I'm a good engineer. No, I am not. Um, it's all about having this mindset that I may not have something perfect right now, but I will have it soon, and I'm gonna work on it. I'm gonna study. I'm gonna learn, um, and eventually everything will just improve, make sense, and you get better and better and better and better. For example, right now, this new implementation that I did with the using an octree and the array cast to determine when I should move the um, my character to go up or down that slope. It may not be perfect right now. I can assure you it is not, because I'm looking through the code that I have. It's a little bit sloppy, but that's okay. It's normally okay. It's totally okay. Just keep on moving. Eventually, you're gonna come back to that same um, code snippet, and you're gonna see some flaws. Like, hey, I can do it like this better. I can do it like that. So don't worry. Don't worry if your game engine right now is not what you want it to be. It is an incremental process, and that's all what you need to be thinking of. That should be your mindset.